Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So in couple of days, Motorola will unveil their flagship phone called Moto Edge 30 Pro. Recently, a Bluetooth SIG certification confirmed that the Edge 30 Pro is nothing but a rebadged Edge X30, which is already available in China. But it does confirm that the Edge 30 Pro is a global version of the Edge X30 for international markets. That means we can expect similar specifications on global variant. So the Edge 30 Pro would likely feature a 6.7-inch POLED display that gets a full HD Plus resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. This screen also offers 700 nits of peak brightness, a touch sampling rate of 576Hz, its panel is HDR10 Plus certified and it supports DCI P3 color gamut. I think I should not go deep into specs cause it's already available, so I will wrap it up quickly. It will also get Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC under the hood, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. A large 5000 mAh battery pack that supports 68W fast charging, and on camera front, the selfie slot houses a single 60 megapixel unit, and on the back there's a 50 plus 50 plus 2 megapixel units. And it will run Android 12 OS with MyUI 3.0 clean stock UI on top. Now let's take a look at some of the images of the phone showing both its front and back. By the way, it's shared by Ivan Blas. Well, the first image isn't that interesting, it looks exactly like X30, but the second image shows this phone in a folio case accompanied by a stylus. And before I forget, let me tell you, it doesn't appear the phone will come with stylus in the box, you have to buy it separately. But it's good to know that it supports stylus. I can't see any slot to place the stylus in the case, however, the only thing visible is the kickstand and the front design that shows time and notification. If at least the case had the stylus slot similar to S21 Ultra, it would have been much better. Nobody wants to carry the stylus separately. In any case, we are at the end of this video. And about pricing, well, we have nothing right now, but if you want to, you can convert Chinese pricing. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.